question. So next question is going to be, what happens if non-custodial parents can't be located to be served? Those are a bunch of words that I have no idea.
So the non-custodial parent, that's not always a phrase that we use in Florida because we have shared parental responsibility, but it sounds to me like this might be a custody case, which is more of a paternity matter. And I interpret this question, and I have to do this often, so I'm going to have to add some facts. I interpret this question to mean you're the parent who has the child, and maybe it's a paternity case. In the case of a paternity matter, you really can't serve him by publication like you can in other cases. That's a little bit harder in a paternity case. Generally, if you're only looking to establish child support, you could go through the Department of Revenue, because the Department of Revenue has different avenues and resources on which they can establish for the purpose of child support. An unwed mother doesn't have, unless they have specific circumstances or a specific desire to do so, they don't really have a reason to need to establish paternity for the purpose of time sharing, because they have all of the custodial rights, right? All of the time sharing rights at this time. I know that there's some back and forth, and there are a lot of people who think that that should change under certain circumstances, but that hasn't changed yet.